study the coefficient and coefficient and zeros of the polynomials. So relations with the coefficient and zeros of polynomials are interrelated with each other. So we will discuss here that coefficient and zeros of polynomials. So coefficient, sorry, relationship between relationships relationship between coefficient and zeros of polynomials. Relationship between coefficient and zeros of polynomials we have written here. And now we will discuss that. The zeros of polynomials are, here is the zeros of polynomials are related to the coefficient. Okay, related to the coefficients. Now we will try to find out the relationship for linear polynomials. We will find out the relationships of linear and quadratic with cubic polynomials. Okay, so here is the relationships we will try to find out. First we will try here for the linear polynomials. For the linear polynomials, okay, we will study about the linear polynomials. What is the linear polynomials? So you know that's we know that if k is the zeros of linear equations, okay, zeros of linear px ax plus b, okay, px is equal to ax plus b. Got it? So a is not equal to 0, where, okay, a is not equal to 0, so px is equal to, so px is equal to ax plus b is always be 0. Got it? Px is equal to ax plus b is equal to 0, means that ax plus b is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus b by a. Okay, x is equal to minus b by a. So x is equal to minus b means constant terms upon coefficient of a. This is constant terms upon coefficient of a. Okay, coefficient constant terms, b is constant terms, we know that, and coefficient of x. Coefficient of x, here is the a is the coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. Got it? So first we have got here the coefficient of x. So second, so for the quadratic polynomials, second we will study for the quadratic polynomial. Here is the second terms. First terms we have studied the cubic of linear polynomials, and the seconds we will study here the quadratic polynomials. How we will study the quadratic polynomials in quadrats in general. Let's alpha and beta be the let's alpha and beta be the zeros of polynomials px equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Got it? This is the quadratic polynomials. Got it? So I hope that you understood the c where a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. If the a is not equal to 0, then we can write here we can write here px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so px is equal to ax square plus bx plus 0. I hope you understood it. Where then alpha minus beta and is the both are the factors of px, then factor of px factors of px is equal to x minus alpha and x minus beta. These are the factors of px. So factors of px, x minus alpha and x minus beta. So it is the factors of px. Got it? So we can write here k. So we can write here here is the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to k x minus alpha plus here is x minus beta. Both we will got it x minus alpha and x minus beta. So x minus alpha, so k is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta. So k is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta. Here's k equal to x. Here is the x square alpha plus beta, and second is seconds we can say that's into x plus alpha beta, into x plus alpha beta. Here's into x plus alpha beta, so minus alpha beta. So where k, so where k is constants, where k is constant, some constants. So constants k will always be a constant value. So on comparing the coefficient of x square and x and the constant terms. Now comparing the x square x and constant terms. Okay, x square x and the constant terms. So after the comparing the both sides, we get on both side we'll find that here we will find here always be after comparing some constant terms and coefficient terms, we will compare it. So we will get here a is equal to k and b is equal to k, a is equal to k and k minus alpha k minus k minus k alpha beta, sorry, alpha plus beta. So here is the k alpha plus beta. We have got here alpha plus beta. So c is equal to k alpha beta, and so c is equal to k alpha beta. After comparing on both sides, we will get here some both conditions. So in case of c is equal to alpha plus beta, so minus k alpha beta by k, so minus k alpha beta by k is if we compare it, so we will get here some b by a. A. K alpha beta cancel out. So alpha plus alpha into beta. Here is alpha plus beta, and alpha plus beta is equal to, sorry, so alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Got it? This minus goes in those directions, and alpha plus beta is a coefficient of x and a coefficient of x square. This is coefficient of x and coefficient of x square. These are, we have got it, coefficient of x and a coefficient of x square. Now we will try to coefficient of x and coefficient of k alpha beta by k. Now k alpha beta by k is equal to ab, c by a. Okay, so cancel out, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. It is, this is c is constant terms by coefficient of x square. Okay, constant terms alpha into beta. Second terms we have found out the constant terms. Here is the c by a and a coefficient of x squares. This will be a coefficient of x square. Alpha into beta was equal to c by a. So constant term upon coefficient of x squares. So alpha into beta, alpha plus beta. So two formula we have got here. So alpha plus beta here. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, and alpha into beta is equal to c by a. These are the formula for the quadratic equations. Now we will discuss about the formula related to the for cubic. Third, for cubic polynomial. For cubic polynomials, we know that if the alpha, beta, gamma, so here is the cubic polynomials. We know that if the alpha, beta, gamma is the zeros of cubic polynomial, okay, zeros of cubic polynomials, then what we will do is alpha, beta, gamma is the zeros of cubic polynomials. So we will write the cubic polynomials. Here's a x cube plus b x square plus c x plus d is equal to 0. What it's, so cx is equal to 0. These are the cubic polynomials. Ax square bx plus cx plus d is always be a 0. Then so alpha plus beta is equal to, then we will write here alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to so always be minus b by a first, and that is, it can be a coefficient of minus b by a coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube. Okay, then alpha into beta into gamma. Second term, so we will get here alpha plus beta plus gamma. First b by a, alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus gamma into alpha. What is equal to minus b, c by a. What it means that the coefficient of x square, this will be a coefficient of x by coefficient of x cube. What is coefficient of x by coefficient of x cubes? Second terms, in second terms cases, coefficient of x cube by c by a, x cubes. So now third, first condition, second conditions, a, b and the c conditions, alpha into beta into gamma. So will always be a, b, c, d by a. Okay, this will be minus d by a. Okay, so it will be a coefficient, sorry, d is the constant term by coefficient of x cubes. Coefficient of x cubes. These are the formula, that is cubic and quadratic and biquadratic polynomials, which we gives a linear quadratic and cubic polynomials. Okay, formula I have given you here with the help of the systematic ways, systematic way representations and its calculations. I hope that you understood whatever I'm giving you here with the help of these whiteboards, so that you can understood each parts of the polynomials and its zeros, relations between the zeros and the linear, quadratic and the cubic polynomials, so that you can understood and solve the different types of the questions related to it. Some questions is also come here, so by means of which we can say that here is the useful algebraic identities will also associated with here. So some, for example, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square minus a square minus b square. Okay, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square and a square minus b square. Got it? So a plus b whole square or minus a plus b or a minus b whole square, a square minus b square. Got it? And second we can say that a square minus b square, a square minus b square, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. Here is a plus b whole square minus a plus minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. It will be, and it will be a square plus b square minus plus or minus 2ab. Okay, here is a square, a plus b and a minus b. These are the equations. 3 equations I have given you, so that you can understand and solve the different types of different related questions here. Now we will discuss is a square minus b squares. We can write here a plus b, a minus b, a cube minus b cubes plus minus a cube minus b cube, a cube minus b, a cube plus or minus b cube. So we will write here say a cube, a plus b or a plus or minus b, a square plus b square minus r plus ab. Got it? Here a cube plus minus b cube. It's the formula a cube plus minus b cube. And now so we will discuss here four formulas we have given here, a plus b whole squares. So a plus b plus c whole square. That is the formula. So we write here say a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. These are the formula, a plus b plus c whole squares. And then after we will take a plus b whole cubes, a plus b whole cubes. So we will write here 3a, a plus b, 3ab, a plus b. Okay, so a plus b whole cubes, we will write here a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, a plus b. Okay, or we can say that a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, 3a square b plus 3b square a. These are formulas of the a cube plus b cube. Got it? Whole cubes, a minus b whole cubes. So same as a minus b whole cubes, you can write here 3ab, a minus b, or a minus b. Here it will be converted into the a plus b. So a minus b whole cube is always be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b, a minus b, or 3a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus 3b square a. Got it? These are the a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cubes, and furthermore we will take another a cube, b cube, c cube minus 3abc, a cube, b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to, always we can write here, so a square, b square, c square. And these questions can be written here, so a square, b square, c square, abc. First we will write here, so abc, c square. First we will write here, so a square, a plus b plus c, and a square, b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Got it? A plus b plus c in one bracket, second bracket we can write here, say a square, b square, c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. These are the questions, and these are the formula that we can write here and find out some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 formula related to the algebraic exercise I am giving you, so that you can understand and solve the difference related problems of the polynomials. Okay, thank you very much for coming on the channel. Once again I am giving my warm welcome to all of you. Okay, thank you.